name Muhammad is clearly mentioned in the Bible. Do you agree or disagree?
That's why I set you up with asking you if you identify Muhammad as the unlettered prophet. You've been set up by that initial question. So you're going to go back and correct your mistake about
running from the prompt.
You're running from yourself.
The prompt is very clearly, the name Muhammad is clearly mentioned in the Bible. Do you agree or disagree?
Okay.
Do you agree or disagree?
So I take it you don't.
No, we need to respond, right?
I want you to get to it with, with
yes
the points of what
or
you're
no?
doing. Get
All
there.
right. So
I'm not getting yes or no.
Hold on.
Okay, we'll go to the next point then.
He's
Deuteronomy
trickling
18,
in. Get to it.
Is Deuteronomy 18 describing the prophet Muhammad?
He did not answer my question. Is the name Muhammad clearly mentioned in the Bible? That's the prompt. Yes or no?
You identified him as the unlettered prophet. Okay, so I see you don't want to do
Hold
that.
on.
Responding, right?
Okay, now,
But
hold on.
he
Let's
said
ask this
Muhammad is the
question.
unlettered
Let's
prophet.
ask this question.
So it's a title. So that is a name.
So that's where I want to say is, what is Muhammad in the Bible, in the text? Define what that is.
Very clearly. Is the name Muhammad clearly mentioned in the Bible? Yes or no?
If you remember when you were first asking,
He's not answering yes or no. I've asked like 6 times.
Will you please stop interrupting me?
I'm not interrupting you.
While
I
I
asked you a question.
To a different topic since
I
you're running.
asked you a question. You're not answering it. You're transitioning. Who's the one running?
Please stop interrupting me so I can
asked
transition
the question
to
from
catch
the
you in
prompt.
something
No,
else.
you are running from the prompt.
No, I'm not.
Very clear
Hold on.
question
Stop.
from the prompt. You're running like as if you're in a marathon. Very clearly, the prompt is the name Muhammad clearly mentioned in the Bible? Yes or no?
No.
That's
Well,
the
hold
prompt
on,
we're on,
but
not
to
Jesus being
clarify-
God. Answer the question though, yes or no, and then he can go into any side
I
he likes.
said no.
Okay, I did not hear you say that. Good.
Okay.
So you're saying no, Muhammad, the name Muhammad is not mentioned in the Bible. Go
And
ahead.
so-
Now, right here in Songs of Solomon, the name Muhammad is clearly mentioned. And this is not my opinion. This, again, I'm bringing Christian scholars from a lexicon that Brown, Driver, and Briggs brought together.
Okay, let's do
right?
it then.
Can I,
Is
can I, can I,
Muhammad-
can I
is-
not be
is-
interrupted?
Hold on.
Can I not be interrupted?
Is it plural or
My
singular?
question.
Here, the name Muhammad is so clearly mentioned that even in your own lexicon, it says this comes from Hamida of Arabic, and is mentioned Muhammad Dim. Now, Dim, even though it has a institution of being plural, but Elohim doesn't mean that there are multiple gods, that majesty and honor. Ephraim, the younger son of Joseph, also has that im. It is a majestic plural. And just like the name Muhammad is clearly mentioned in the Bible, cannot be translated into the overall lovely, because, for example, the word name Avery means the king of the elves. But I'm not going to go and say the king of the elves was debating me, right? Just like David is the most beloved. Emmanuel, God is with us. Elijah, God is my Yah. And Daniel, God is my judge. All of those have meanings, but they are names. And that is why the name Muhammad is clearly mentioned in the Bible by name.